Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Nikola, ticker symbol NKLA. And so here we are looking at the daily chart after Nikola closed on Friday, May 24th at a price of 52.68 cents, being down about 1/3% on the day, but then reclaiming that drop in the after hours, being up about 0.5% in the after hours. And so a couple key things did happen over the course of the week. One of those things was that on Monday, May 20th, Nikola hit a new all-time low of 51 cents. So it doesn't look so good in that respect. However, it did close on that day at a price of 52.7 cents, being above this blue line here at 52.1 cents. So that is an important level that I do think we will want to be paying attention to. And thus far, we have not seen a single close below that level. So I do think that is good. But, if we do break below it, I did want to caution about a level to the downside that it's possible Nikola will be testing, and that is this line down here at 45.38 cents, or right around 45 cents. And so that is really just based on this Fibonacci retracement here, going from the low hit on December 11th and then going up to the high hit on December 20th. And so from that retracement, I have this 1618 extension at 45.38 cents. So, I don't necessarily think price is going there, but I did just want to throw that up here. And also, if I do another similar retracement from the low hit on January 18th up to right around the high hit on January 31st, the 1618 extension is also right around 45 cents. So if we do start getting some closes below 52.10 or 51 cents, then I do think we might be heading down to potentially below 50 cents, getting down to the range of 45 to 46. So do be cautious of that. But if price is able to hold 52.10, I do think that 58 cents or 58.40 is what I have marked here in red. But really, I'm thinking 58.20 or right around 58 cents. The low hit here on March 14th was 58.20. And then also, if we look at the low from January 18th, that was at 58.25. So getting into that range, it was support in the past, so it might be resistance moving forward. But if we are able to get above 58.59 cents, reclaim this red line as support, and potentially move higher, I do think that right around 66 cents will be some tough resistance, not only because that does correspond with the 236 level here from the Fibonacci, going from the high hit on April 1st at a price of $1.15, coming down to the recent low of 51 cents. That 236 is at 66.10 cents, and that does also seem to correspond with this white dashed line that I've drawn here that goes back pretty far in time, going back to the low hit on June 6th of 2023, and then having a pivot point based on the low of January 17th of this year. So, I do think that we might be getting into some resistance around that level if price does bounce. And one reason why I do think we might be at a bottom and that price might be bouncing, perhaps just short term, getting up to 58 cents, maybe getting rejected there, or getting up to 66, and that being the rejection level. If it is a bounce, whether short-term or long-term bottom put in, I do think that we might be seeing a bottom because that blue line does correspond with the lows that we hit back here on June 6th of 2023. So that low was 52.10. That at the time was the all-time low. And so we have now put in a new all-time low, but so far we have not closed below that level. And so I do think that could suggest we are holding it as support. a bottom could be in, a double bottom could be in, and we could potentially be getting past 58, 66, maybe getting up to these levels that I have marked here, like 70.5 cents marked in orange, or the yellow line marked at 85.5. Quite the possibility, maybe even getting up to the green line at $1 a share, but holding 52.10, not getting any closes below it. I do think that will be key, but if we do get one close below, may not be such a big deal. If we get a close below 51 cents, that could be a confirmation that we will be seeing further downside and a continuation of this downtrending channel, potentially getting to 45 cents a share. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.